Go ahead.
A communique by Ogba-Egbema-Ndoni Local Government Area's Elders Forum in response to the political imbroglio in Rivers State. This is taking place today, April 18, 2025. We, the elders of Ogba-Egbema-Ndoni Local Government Area in Rivers State, after a critical and objective analysis of the political situation in Rivers State, do state as follows. Number one, that the declaration of the state of emergency in our dear state by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, was born out of misinformation, contrived and manipulated by desperate power mongers. Number two, that we, the people of Ogba-Egbema-Ndoni local government, voted massively for Sir Dr. Sim Fubara as governor of Rivers State and his deputy, Professor Ngozi Odo. And until the suspension, the governor was doing credibly well and delivering in the provision of critical structure, health facilities, road construction, security, welfare, and staff salary, pension, etc., etc. Three, that the suspension of democratically elected officials and the subsequent appointment of a sole administration who is flagrantly demolishing democratic institutions in the state is unconstitutional, illegal, and undemocratic, and will only exacerbate the political situation and stagnate development in our dear state. Number four, that the panel for reconciliation of the political impasse in Rivers State, which Mr. President promised, be convoked immediately to commence the process of restoration of constitutional governance and democracy in Rivers State. Number five, that we voted for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2023 general election and will vote for him again in 2027 as far as he meets our expectations for good governance and respect for rule of law in Rivers State. In conclusion, the political situation in Rivers State may be likened to using a gun to kill a mosquito. We request that concerted efforts be put in place by all stakeholders, the Presidency, the National Assembly, and the political gladiators, to facilitate amicable resolution of the political impasse and immediate resumption of democratic governance in Rivers State. This document is signed this day, April 18, 2025, by Barrister Victor Onyige, Elder Peter Odike, and Mrs. Stella Amadi, representing the Omo zone in ONELGA. Stella Adiela, Dr. Ebere Abba, Chief Abale, Chief Good Gift Ozurumba, representing Osomini, Dr. Lucky Moguru, and Dr. Davis Ojima, representing Iburu. High Chief Sir Dr. Akoloku Shedrack JP, the Mbo of Ogbaland, and Austin Ahiamadu, representing the Egi zone. Chief Dr. Reverend J.C. Omebu and Chief Kentus Obie, representing Ebema zone. And Elder IEO Samuel and Elder Ifejika Patrick, representing the Ndoni zone. And this is also signed by Jason Osai, Chairman of the Elders Forum, Dr. Oji Ejikeme, JP, Secretary, and Chief B.I. Odo, Elder. Thank you very much.